So we made it to the Donner Memorial Park. And we're walking up to the memorial right now. This is a really nice park. Yeah. This is a really nice park. There's the FL5 back there. $10 to get in. Not too bad. There's a nature trail right here. That's a half a mile trek. Might have to do that right now. No one knows the strength of kindred love until it is tried. Elizabeth Keegan, 12 years old, 1852. What a memorial. Wow. Viral to risk and find. Kindly withdraw. Kindly withal and a ready help facing the brunt of fate. On the table, unafraid. Wow. I created this nice little walkway so you can kind of look around the whole thing. Highway 80's right there. I didn't realize how close this was. Right off the Highway 80. I wanted to come here and I made it. I did it. Bucket list. The Donner Party. See if I can zoom in on that. Oh, it's getting blurry. Man, like I said, what a tragic story. If you guys don't know the story, check it out. Watch it on YouTube. There's some documentaries on this. Yeah, very tragic. Well, let's go down this half-mile hike and see what it has to offer. Yeah, baby, we're here.